Hello, you are interested in red light therapy panels and perhaps you're wondering which one would be better for you. The panel with a large flip switch like this, or maybe panel with some kind of buttons and some digital controls. So let me tell you my opinion. There are some advantages and disadvantages of both options. So the biggest advantage of large flip switches like this is that they are large, easy to press, and people who have problems with vision or maybe too big fingers, they don't struggle with them at all. It's so simple for everyone. So basically you just place the light in front of you, and usually you will have it on the table stand or hanged on the door or maybe on some sort of other mount, and then just press the button to start the session. It's so simple. And to switch off, you don't need to look around to find the right place to press, because you can feel with your hands, even with your eyes closed, when that switch is, and very simply turn it on or turn it off. And now let's look at the panel with basic buttons and digital timer here. As you see, it's not very complicated, but it's a little bit small, these buttons, and you actually need to look at it to see what you are pressing. So if you have the panel here, you cannot just randomly press something and hope for the best that you are actually turning on the light, or maybe you are just pressing the button for changing the modes. So for this option, you will actually need to look what I need to press and then start the session with the light panel. So from this point of view, this option is a little bit more difficult, but of course gives you advantage of having digital timer. So the light will time the session for you, and you don't need to use for instance your mobile phone or any other timers to time your session. But I would argue which is a better option and which is more comfortable. I've been using both of these panels, and when I do light therapy, for instance, for my head, when I put the light panel behind me to do light therapy for my hair, then it's so easy to just flip that switch here with this light. And for this one, I actually need to turn the light on, then just lie down and position myself like this. So it's way easier to use just simple flip switch like this. If you use in a different position than standard, which is like basically being in front of the light. And when you are using a panel with digital timer, then when you turn it on and you are in front of it, you can't really easily turn it off. You have to go out, then just look to press the right button for switching off. So it's a little bit less comfortable, but of course you've got this advantage of having a timer, so the light will automatically switch off after the time you set for whatever duration of the session you will require. I, for instance, like to do light therapy for about 10 minutes on one area, and this is mostly recommended by most manufacturers. But you may want to do 15 minutes or 5 minutes depending on your therapeutic goals. And of course, if you use a light panel with big flip switches and no digital timer, you need to find another device to time your session. But it's easy, everybody has got mobile, or you can easily buy some sort of timer from Amazon, or even use the kitchen timer which you use to cook your eggs, for instance. And if you are interested in good red light therapy equipment, I'm affiliated with Mitre Red Lights and Platinum LED, and I can offer you a discount link, so if you can check out in the video description and follow to their website, you can see if they have any therapy lights that you like. And if you decide to purchase any of them using this link, it will be at no extra cost to you, and it will help support my channel. I really appreciate it. and you will also get a discount. So I think it's a win-win for everyone. And if you're interested in more tips about using red light therapy at home, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching.